Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you quick shortcut key to use your Windows 11. So let's take a look. First of all, and the number one quick shortcut key is File Explorer. Maybe somehow or some cases you are looking to open File Explorer. If you want to open File Explorer, you can use your keyboard Win key plus E to open the File Explorer. Now from here, if you want to jump anywhere in your Windows, you can easily jump over there. This is the first shortcut key. Let me share the second shortcut key, which is if you want to open the search bar. For example, you are looking for something and you want to open the search bar immediately. For that, you can click in your keyboard Win key plus S, and then you're going to see a search bar going to be appear. This is the number two. Let me share with you the third shortcut key, which is access toggle. Maybe you might be wondering how to quick access to toggle. There you can adjust the brightness or mute the volume or turn on the Wi-Fi or etc. things. For that, you can click in your keyboard Win key plus A, and then you're going to see a toggle going to be appear in your right side, and here from here you can easily readjust or do with your desktop or laptop in your Windows 11. This is the quick shortcut key 3. Also, let me share with you, we know in Windows 11 there is a widget. So if you want to open the widget with your quick shortcut key, you can click in your keyboard Win key plus W to appear the widget, and from here you can easily see the widget. Whatever you want, you can simply do from this skin. The number 5 quick shortcut key is screenshot. Maybe we would like to open snapping tools using your keyboard shortcut key. You can click in your keyboard Win key Shift S, and then you're going to see the snapping tools going to be appear. From here, if you decide to choose any area for the snapping tools, you can easily choose the area, and that's going to be appear in the snapping tools. Number 6 is you might be somehow or some cases you might be want to open the clipboard. If you would like to open the clipboard, you need to click in the keyboard Win key plus B to open the clipboard. You can see previously we had took the snap, and that is appear here. From here, if you decide to do some modification etc, you can easily do with that. Number 7, you might be wondering to find out or launch the Windows emoji. For that, you can easily touch in your keyboard Win key plus touch key, and then you're going to see immediately in your keyboard going to be appear the emoji. You can easily insert emoji and make your text message or any social browsing more interesting. Number 8 quick shortcut is open the text manager. Maybe somehow or some cases you browsing something or a system got hang and you would like to launch the text manager. In order to do that, in your Windows 11 you need to click Ctrl Shift Escape key, and then you're going to see the text manager going to be appear. From here you can easily add the skin or do anything whatever you want with your Windows 11. Number 9, you can see I had opened a browser tab and you want to move this tab from left side, right side or center, or minimize or maximize it. For that, you can use your keyboard. For example, I would like to bring this tab in the left side. For that, what you have to do, you have to click the Win key plus left arrow key to appear this particular tab in the left side. If you decide to bring this particular tab in the center, you can again click Win key plus right arrow key to appear just like this. Or if you decide to bring completely in the right side, you can again click Win key plus right arrow key to appear in the right side. If you decide to maximize it, you can click Win key plus up arrow key to maximize this tab. If you decide to minimize this, you can click Win key plus down arrow key to minimize these things. Also, you can open the snapping tools by, for example, I'm in here and I want to open the snapping tools. For that, you can click Win key plus Z to open the snapping tools, and you can easily choose wherever you want to move this tab anywhere in your screen. So this is all about. I try to share with you the different quick shortcut key to use your Windows 11. If it is helpful, definitely don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.